Hi, today we're going to be making a gift bag, and I'll give you a little bit of background on this. Last summer I was shopping in a Japanese store, and as I was going through the store, the gentleman was sitting at the counter and making his own bags, so basically shopping bags, and he was making them out of wrapping paper. So you could do this out of a number of different things, but I have some wrapping paper here that is actually cute, double-sided, and I am going to make 2 bags today. So you want to cut to whatever size you want your bag to be. So you have a rectangular piece here, and I'll just tell you quick measurements here. For what I have is about 7.5 by just a little bit more than 4.5. So I didn't really measure, I just kind of eyeballed and cut. So the first thing he did was fold it like this so that there is a seam going down the back and it's even. So if you have a pattern that lines up, you could, line that up. And then the next thing is just folding up the bottom. So it really just 2 quick little folds and you have your bag. So once you have this fold done, you're going to use your best glue ever from ScraPerfect, and you're just going to run a line down this edge here, making sure you don't get any on the inside because your bag will close. And then you're going to glue up the bottom, and I'm going to put a little bit on the inside here as well. And then I'm just going to fold that up, run my fingernail over it, and seal it. So with that done, and a few seconds to dry, I have a bag. Now to add to it, I have some decorative scissors here, and I'm just going to cut along the top edge. And then to make it an even easier opening at the top here, what I'm going to do is take a circle punch and just go halfway and punch, and that makes for a nice little tab to get into the bag. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing again, but this time I'm going to do it the reverse way, and so these will go together. Now what can you use them for? Well, obviously he was using them in his shop to put his items in that he sold. But these could go into your scrapbook. They could go onto a card. If you wanted to send your friend some little pieces of ephemera, this would be a cute way to do it. There's a number of different things that you could do with these. And if you craft and make your own, I don't know, jewelry or something like that, you could use these little bags to put your gifts in or your customers' purchases. So my paper with the moisture of the glue wants to buckle up a little bit because it's summer here, but there we go. So nice little pocket envelope, and once again I can add a little detail with decorative scissors across the top. What a cute little way to, even if you wanted to do like a treat bag at birthday party, you could do these. You could put little notes, stationery inside, all different kinds of things. But there we go. 2 quick and easy bags made from wrapping paper.